Hello and welcome to video on Inquire Adding available in Excel. From the earliest days of spreadsheet, auditors and reviewers have been looking out for ways of gaining an understanding for the underlying structure of the spreadsheet they are reviewing and formulas used inside those files. After Microsoft published Excel, large spreadsheet became very common with complex formulas used in it. It rapidly became obvious that simple formula listing were too tedious to work with and understand their impact inside the file. Spreadsheet auditing tools were developed to cater to this need. These tools provided two main features: a visual overview of the structure of the spreadsheet and detailed listing of features used inside a file, which from the experience of the auditors may indicate an actual error or weakness that could easily materialize as a defect in use. These tools were like static software analysis tools. They considerably increase the efficiency of an auditor in getting through the large amounts of routine analysis. These tools are excellent in raising the questions. The remedial actions are, however, a matter of skill and judgment. Inquire Adding is one such tool provided by Microsoft Excel in Excel 2013 version onwards. These are available only in Professional Plus editions of Excel. There are already some other formula auditing tools available in Excel in addition to this Inquire Adding. The existing formula auditing tools include the ability to display arrows in a spreadsheet, indicating the precedent or dependent relationship of cells to other cells, including those on other worksheets or other workbooks. Inquire Adding includes a more sophisticated set of tools to show relationships at cell, worksheet or workbook level, including analyzing the links to the workbooks that link to the current workbook and showing where files are missing or links are broken. In certain sense, it is more like an auditing tool. It does not prevent the errors, but it certainly can reveal them. Now here on screen, you can see the screenshot of various options available currently in this adding. We will look at all of these options one by one in next few videos in this section. However, currently let us quickly have an overview of what this feature does in this Inquire Adding. The first one, Workbook Analysis Report, creates an interactive report showing detailed information about the workbook and its structure, formulas, cells and range and warnings for this Excel file. Then the next one, Worksheet Relationship, will create a diagram which is an interactive and graphical map of workbook dependencies created by connections linked between the files. The types of links in the diagram can include other workbooks, Access database, text files, HTML pages, SQL Server database and other data sources. Similarly, in Worksheet Relationship diagram, it will create an interactive and graphical map of connections or links between the worksheets in the same workbook or other workbooks. And then finally, the Cell Relationship diagram will create a detailed and interactive diagram of all the links for the selected cell to cells in other worksheet or even other workbooks. This relationship with other cell can exist in formulas or references to named ranges. The diagram can cross worksheets and workbooks as well as said. Then the next option of compare files. This command will let you see the differences cell by cell between two open workbooks. Results are color coded by the kind of content such as entered values, formulas, name ranges and formats. This will also show you VBA code changes line by line. And next one is Clean Excess Cell Formatting command. This removes the excess formatting and can greatly reduce the file size. This will help you to avoid the spreadsheet blot, which will improve your Excel speed. Next one is Workbook Passwords command. This will maintain a password list which will be saved on your computer, encrypted and only accessible to you. The password list is needed so that Inquire can open its saved copy of your workbook while performing the task in this Inquire tab. And finally, the Help command gives you details and examples of these commands. To be honest with you, the documentation under Help for this add-in is not adequate. And I personally feel if you search Excel forums or internet, you will get more information related to this add-in compared to this Help documentation. Now before we move on, you may have to activate this add-in in your Excel. So let us see directly in Excel how to activate this Inquire add-in. Now this is a blank Excel file which I have opened. And in the top, if you can see in the ribbon, there is no Inquire tab currently being displayed. To activate that, you will have to go to File, then select Options, then select Add-ins, then select COM add-ins from here. Click Go and here check mark the Inquire and click OK. So once you click on that OK, you can see this Inquire Adding tab is being activated on your ribbon tab. So now you can start using all the features available under this Inquire tab. We will look at all of these features one by one in next few videos. So stay tuned and see you in next video.